So my DRZ400 weekend project was to get this bike trailer ready. So I set up my Harbor Freight collapsible trailer to haul my motorbike when I want to go on a trip or something camping. And it was a pretty simple thing to do. I love this trailer because the fact that it folds up like a ping pong table, rolls over to the side of my carport, doesn't take up a lot of space, and it's a perfect size for hauling a bike. If I wanted to, I could set it up for 2 bikes, but I only have. The trailer is 8 feet long, 4 feet wide, folds in the middle, and it's fairly light. Cost me $300 at Harbor Freight. So the first thing I had to do is buy this nice little ramp, collapsible ramp, lightweight, has a nice flex and grip on it. Really easy to load the bike on and off the trailer. You don't even have to ride it. You could just walk up next to it, stand to it, or roll it back. I strapped it down. The ramp came with this strap, so I just strap it to the trailer here, and to keep all the people who have sticky fingers, I lock it to my bike. I put these cannon dancers on here. They're a tie down for the bike, and it's a nice good tie down. And then I put on this wheel mount here, which is a necessity, but I don't want it on my trailer all the time, so I rigged it up by drilling the 4 holes and putting a grade 8 bolt through the bottom with a really wide washer, and then up to the top, and I use a rubber washer and a steel washer so I could get some grip, and these wing nuts, so it's an easy on and off installation. I don't really have to worry about getting tools out and stuff. I could just do this by hand, take it on and off. Very simple, very easy, very inexpensive. I'm using these basic pull down straps, and to prevent fork wheel seal damage, I've put in a brace in here. They sell them at the store, and it prevents your straps from pulling down and busting out your wheel seals. I measured the distance between the tire and the top of the fender was 10.5 inches. I got this protector here, it's 10 inches, so I'm only going a 1/2 inch down when I crank down on those straps. People are always trying to figure out or wonder how they should tie the extra strap down, and seem to have problems. It whips around, it drags, it gets worn out. I always carry a roll of Velcro. It's got the fuzzy side on one side and the hook side on the other, and it has multi-purpose uses. So take your strap and just fold it over like this, put it there, small piece of your Velcro. Side note, this little piece right here is like $20, but if your strap were to come loose going down the road and it were to fall off, that's a $20 bill falling off your trailer. So what I do, I put it in place like so and cinch it down. It only cinches it 1 inch, and I use some more of this Velcro. All I need to do is wrap it around the neck and then come up to the top and hold it in place. So if it were to fall off, such as this, it goes nowhere quick. I use that Velcro everywhere.